You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word and more confusing vocabulary. You're going to be learning it all here. Stay tuned to the channel, got tons more coming up. It comes originally from French, pronounced as brigadier. French pronunciation, brigadier, but it's not how it is pronounced in English. It's not pronounced brigadier, but rather brigadier. Brigadier. Stress on that first and a bit last syllable as well. Brigadier, but more insist on that last syllable. Did you get this? Let me know in the comments. See you soon for more. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.